There are many mobile video editing apps out there, but let me show you one of the best, Filmora Mobile. This app is packed with AI-powered features and thousands of pre-made templates that make editing super fast and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit videos using Filmora Mobile. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this app works for everyone. Filmora Mobile is available on both Android and iOS, and you can download it for free from the Play Store or App Store. Here's how it looks when you first open the app. Tap the More button, and you'll see the full range of AI tools Filmora offers. These tools are truly game changers. They save you time and help you create professional results with ease. Now head over to the template section. This is where the magic happens. You'll find thousands of pre-made templates ready to use. Just pick one, import your clips, and your video is done in seconds, literally with a few taps. It's one of the best features of Filmora Mobile. For more advanced editing, Filmora has a full timeline editor with options like audio, text, effects, transitions, and filters. And each of these sections is packed with tons of creative tools. Let's start with audio. Filmora has a massive library of music and sound effects. You can browse by category based on your video type and choose from thousands of tracks. It's a great way to bring your videos to life. Next up is text. Here you'll find a variety of pre-made title animations. These look professional and save you hours. No need to build custom titles from scratch. Just pick, edit, and go. Now to my favorite part, effects. There are tons of trending effects in Filmora Mobile. Whether you've seen them on Instagram or TikTok, they're all here. You can browse by category and apply them with just one tap. Then we have filters, including a huge collection of LUTs for quick color grading. These give your video a polished, cinematic look. You can also fine-tune the colors manually if you prefer full control. Lastly, let's talk about transitions. When you're working with multiple clips, transitions help everything flow smoothly. Filmora offers a huge range of transition styles organized by category. You can customize the duration and even apply the transition to all clips at once, a big time saver. So overall, Filmora Mobile is a powerful video editing app that's perfect for both beginners and pros. Whether you're just starting or looking for an all-in-one mobile editor, Filmora has everything you need in one place. That's it for this video. Try Filmora for free using the link in the description and receive a discount on your subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.